Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower pattern. This is how it looks on the back. It's a very simple and easy pattern. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 2.5 millimeters hook, and we will start with a slip knot. We will chain 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, and we will slip stitch into the first stitch, and in this way we will form a ring. We will chain 1, and in this ring we will work 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on until we reach 11 and 11. Here we will join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch, but first we will cut the yarn. We will join the work so we have a nice edge like this. We'll slip the yarn through the first stitch in this way. We will join the second color in any of the stitches across the first round. So we will pull the yarn through this loop, and we will chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make sure the chain doesn't twist, and go into the next stitch and slip stitch. And this is our first petal, and we will do the exact same thing for each of our petals. So let's do this one more time. Chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and go into the next stitch and slip stitch. We will do the same until we reach the end. I have one more petal to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Go into the last stitch and slip stitch, and we will go into the back of the work now and chain 1 and cut the yarn. And we can arrange the petals like this. We should have 11 petals on the flower, since we started with 11 single crochets on the center here. And if you want more petals, make sure to add more single crochets at the beginning. This is how it looks on the back. I also have it in another combination of colors here. Happy crocheting!